Sobrang saya ako. Masaya talaga po ako. Kasi, I was surprised today and I'm very, very happy kasi binigyan nila ako ng aso. And I'm so happy kasi I've always wanted one for so long and it came to life. And gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyong lahat, that's why the purpose of this live, gusto ko lang sabihin maraming salamat po to everyone for all the support, lahat ng appreciation for me and my family and this whole process. I haven't had time to touch base, pero ito na nga, gusto ko lang sabihin maraming salamat po. At I hope everyone is doing well and staying safe now. And I hope to meet all of you guys very soon. And maraming salamat ulit sa lahat ng love at support. I can't thank you guys enough. Thank you for everything and for all the positive things you guys have done for me and for always continuing to make me smile on an everyday basis. So yun lang, and I hope you guys